Ich bin Max.
Hello, my name is Max. I know a thing or two about quantum leaps. Now that's what I call a quantum leap. The K22 compressor. A technological quantum leap. 37 kilowatts of power in the same space that a system with only half the power would require. For hydrogen, for helium, for all noble gases. With a sensational cooling concept. There is nothing comparable on the market. Shock waves cause the seabed to tremble. These are air pressure pulses. They are used to create an image of the rock layers underwater. The technology for this comes from our factory in China. 4K22 super boosters. Here in the assembly, here on the key, the rotor comp screw compresses the working air to 11 bar. The high pressure compressor to 200 bar working pressure. The BAUER blocks and the BAUER control unit are being installed on the latest ships of the Source class, the pride of Chinese research shipping. The immense delivery capacity of the 52 block ensures a continuous supply to the compressed air cannon.
Happy to have that too. The name BAUER is pretty much synonymous with compressor.
BAUER compressors are legendary, even in the most remote corners of the world, like Troy Springs State Park, a gem deep in the heart of Florida. Warm spring water comes to the surface here, fed by a kilometer-long tunnel system. No one knows how big it really is. Kate's Dive Outpost is an insider tip among technical divers and cave divers from all over the world. For decades, a BAUER compressor was in operation here. Just 2 years ago, Kate Swanson bought a new one. From which company? That was obvious.
The name BAUER is pretty much synonymous with compressor for most dive shops and dive owners. When we were looking to upgrade and trade in the K20 back in 2021, it was like an easy choice to just go back to BAUER, and we got a second Verticon of the same model. You have access to a huge network of distributors and service people. You have access to BAUER's headquarters service people that are super knowledgeable. I'm happy that we have BAUER's in our fill station, and other shop owners that we speak to are happy to have that too.
They make changes visible at the atomic level. Free electron lasers. There are only 3 of them in the world. The observation of atoms must take place in ultra-high vacuum. And to create absolute vacuum, you need helium. And helium is expensive. In the laser machine room at Shanghai Tech University, in the lasers machine room, high tech, right in the middle, BAUER's helium recovery system. In our 26.12 large compressor system, the used helium is purified, compressed, and fed back into the process. The secret to our success? We know that markets change. We make quick decisions. We respond quickly. A prime example, our medium pressure range, the BM series. Here it is in use at a brake and suspension system manufacturer. The BAUER medium pressure operates reliably and does not cause any surprises. One machine has now been operating for 680 hours, the other for 400. I am very pleased with them. Thank you, BAUER, for the excellent gas supply. The market and demand for the BAUER system are huge. Since this year, our product range covers the entire spectrum of required delivery services, from very little to very much. The production line in China is state-of-the-art. just like in our American and European plants. The brave new world of hydrogen. This is where it's being prepared. Blois, France. BAUER and one of the world's largest automotive suppliers are collaborating on testing our first large-scale hydrogen compressor. It was a secret project for a long time, but now everything is coming to light. It's a General Motors project. Diesel injection systems are being converted to hydrogen and tested with the BK26. The test was a triumph. The BK26 has now been compressing for 1,500 hours in continuous operation. Hydrogen as fuel. A little cool water vapor in the air, that's all. BAUER is making history right now. We have developed and patented the P81 filter system. It's a game changer. Fuel quality can be achieved without oil-free compressors, which are many times more expensive. Hydrogen as a fuel becomes economical with our system.
Im Januar wurden diese Patronen eingesetzt.
These oil filters have been in operation for 1,000 hours. 3 samples have now been examined at the German Center for Solar Energy and Hydrogen Research. After 1,000 hours, the filter cartridges are still as good as new. We will continue until we eventually reach the limits of this filter system.
Weiterzufahren und zu sehen, wann kommen wir an die Grenze von diesem Filtersystem.
Hydrogen as a fuel becomes economical with our system.
Here we go.
Even without subsidies.
The Dicklands Farm in Canada. Here, livestock waste is processed on a large scale to produce biogas, using compressor systems from BAUER Compressors in Norfolk, Virginia.
On and off since then.
George
Started up
Dick
again
is
in
the owner.
1988. Our experiences with our BAUER compressor have been very good. So the BAUER after-sales support has been good for us. We've always had good communication, and so that's really the most important part. I would recommend BAUER to other biogas facilities if they were looking to do CNG compression or cleaning or membranes of any kind. I have a lot of faith in the BAUER compressors.
We know what our customers want. For scuba divers, we are launching a completely new B membrane for nitrox breathing air. The compressor, the control system, the dryer, and the membrane plate. All elements of the B membrane 11 can be arranged flexibly. Groundbreaking for all applications where space is at a premium.
Yoo-hoo!
Nitrox?
Los geht's!
It's available everywhere now.
Los geht's!
The aircraft carrier INS Vikrant, the pride of the Indian Navy. Commissioned in 2022, the ship can rely on BAUER's state-of-the-art nitrogen trailer. Breathtaking. The screw booster system with integrated BAUER filter system produces nitrogen with a purity of 99.95%. The mobile nitrogen system is used by the Indian Navy for firefighting, corrosion protection, and leak testing of its ship systems. Small and large innovations will change the face of the BAUER Group in 2026. The Poseidon Edition is getting a new facelift. It may not be a quantum leap, but it's a damn smart design. Artificial intelligence, cloud solutions, the BAUER Cloud. The BAUER app and the new B-Control Smart are the interface. Remote maintenance, control of multiple compressors, data analysis, recommendations for action to customers, issuing of certificates via the cloud. Enormous benefits. All of this will save BAUER and its customers a lot of effort, time, and money. But that's what I call a huge quantum leap. We wish you and your loved ones a happy and healthy 2026.